Welcome to another unboxing. Today we're checking out this Utopia bedding. This is a full sheet of 300 count, thread count, 100% combed cotton sateen sheets. So these I picked up from Amazon and got a new mattress, new bed, all that stuff. So there's some new sheets on it too as well. So, it's like a puzzle here. Oh, it's like treasure chest of sheets. That's pretty cool. So it's actually kind of soft. And this comes with looks like 2 mattress covers. These are actually, I think our sheet that we have on our bed is like 600 thread count or more, or 800, and this feels actually quite a bit softer than that. So maybe it's the sateen or whatever, but these actually feel pretty nice here. If it is 100% cotton, then that's pretty cool. So here is the fitted sheet. So two pillowcases, a sheet, and a fitted sheet. And like I said, these are actually pretty soft. I've had a lot higher thread count sheets than these, and these definitely feel comparable to those. I mean, you have a nice like little silky look to it as well, so it looks pretty cool. These run, you know what, I'm not sure how much this runs on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below if you guys want to check this out. And I'll make another video when I put it on the bed and stuff, how to make a bed. There's a video. So thanks for watching, everybody, and have a great day out there. We'll see you next time.